Hey guys, if you're seeing the error message, this account can no longer use WhatsApp due to spam. Then keep watching because I'm going to show you how to fix this. Now, you usually get this error when your WhatsApp account has been banned for violating the terms of service. However, sometimes accounts are wrongly flagged even if you haven't broken any rules. So if you haven't done anything against the terms and still get this message, here's what you need to do. First, open an internet browser and search for WhatsApp support. This is the only official way to recover your account. Select the top search result that says Contact WhatsApp. At the top, you'll see WhatsApp Messenger support. Just click on Contact Us. Next, scroll down and fill in the required information. Enter the phone number linked to your WhatsApp account. Then type in a valid email address where WhatsApp can contact you with updates. Choose how you use WhatsApp. For this example, I'll select Web and Desktop. In the message box, write something like, "Hi, my WhatsApp number has been banned incorrectly. I haven't broken any of the terms of service. Please help." Once done, click Next Step at the bottom. You'll then see a page with some help articles. Just ignore those and select Send Question. That's it. Your request has now been sent to WhatsApp. It usually takes 2 to 3 business days for them to reply. As long as you haven't violated any rules, they will restore your account if the ban was a mistake. So that's how easy it is, guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.